Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about some OSINT tools to get information on anybody. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Number one, we have Multigo, and Multigo specializes in uncovering relationships among people, companies, domains, and publicly accessible information on the internet. It's also known for taking the sometimes enormous amount of discovered information and plotting it all out in easy to read charts and graphs. The graphs do a great job of taking raw intelligence and making it actionable, and each graph can have up to 10,000 data points. Think about that, 10,000 data points. The Multigo program works by automating the searching of different public data sources so users can click on one button and execute multiple queries. A search plan is called a transform action by the program, and Multigo comes with quite a few by default that include common sources of public information like DNS records, whose records, search engines, and social networks. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you. So like I said, who's this record, search engines, and social networks? Because the program is using public interfaces to perform its searching, it's compatible with almost any source of information that has a public interface. So adding more searches to a transform action or making up a new one is easily possible. Once the information is gathered, Multigo makes connections that can unmask the hidden relationships between names, email addresses, aliases, companies, website, document holders, and much more. Next, we have Spiderfoot, and Spiderfoot is a free OSINT reconnaissance tool that integrates with multiple data sources to gather and analyze IP addresses, CIDR ranges, domains, and subdomains, ASNs, email addresses, phone numbers, names, and usernames, BTC addresses, etc. Available on GitHub, Spiderfoot comes with both a command line interface and an embedded web server for providing an intuitive web-based GUI. The application itself comes with over 200 modules, making it ideal for red teaming reconnaissance activities to discover more information about your target or identify what you or your organization may be inadvertently exposing on the internet. The next one we have is Spice, S-P-Y-S-E. Again, it's S-P-Y-S-E. And Spice, whatever you want to call it, describes itself as the most complete internet assets registry geared towards cybersecurity professionals. Relied on by projects like OWASP, Intelligence X, and the aforementioned Spiderfoot, Spice collects publicly available data on websites, their owners, associated servers, and IoT devices. This data is then analyzed by the Spice engine to spot any security risks in and connections between these different entities. A free plan, okay, because I know you pocket pinchers, right? Pocket pinchers. A free plan is available, although for developers planning on building apps using the Spice API, paid subscriptions may be required. Next, we have Intelligence X. Now, Intelligence X is a first of its kind archival service and search engine that preserves not only historic versions of web pages, but also entire leaked data sets that are otherwise removed from the web due to the objectionable nature of content or legal reasons. Although that may sound similar to what Internet Archive's Wayback Machine does, Intelligence X has some stark differences when it comes to the kind of content the service focuses on. Okay? When it comes to preserving data sets, no matter how controversial, Intelligence X does not discriminate. So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the like button. Please also hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership, and stay safe, and see you on the next video. Also, did I miss any OSINT tools that may be better? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's get the conversation started. Thank you.